Hello traders, the title of the video is Price Structure Trader reveals simple price structures trading tips, British pound, Swiss franc. Alright, we are trading the GBPCHF. Here it is. Now for new traders, this is a very, very difficult financial instrument to trade. It's very volatile, it's going very fast, and there is a high demand for the stop loss. So if you do not have enough money, do not play with this currency pair. It's for the big boys. All right? All right. Very important point. All right? You might as well trade the euro dollar or the Australian dollar, US dollar, something that is more friendly. Okay? So what's happening here? So you see the price went down 1, 2, 3. Minimum price move is 3 with a long tail piercing to a key level at 1, 2, 4, 4, 8. This is a beautiful setup, bullish trading setup. Can you see that? Minimum price move is 3, is a market principle. Now we have a bullish candlestick pattern piercing through a key level. Look at that. Boom, up. Many months. All right. So again here, look here, they went again. 1, 2, 3. Now we have here a bullish engulfment. So we can combine the market principles with candlestick pattern. After staying here for many days, blah, 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 trying to take these people out, they did survive after many months, and it went up. Okay. So I have here a triangle, the blue triangle. So all I did, I just connected this point. If you want to draw it, the month of November 2015, the high, to the high of the month of April 2018, and draw it here. So some traders will say, Joe, why do you have to tell me I can see it? I know traders out there who love that, who love me saying exactly what I'm doing, and so they can draw it. So that's why I'm speaking like this. I know traders. All right. So what's happening here? You say, Joe, speak to me, please. All right. Priority to bullish signal above the level of 132.85. 132.85, and priority to bearish signal below it. This video is for educational purposes only. All right. Don't use it as a trading signal. All right. You want to look for trading setup, bullish trading setup above that level of 132.85, and priority to look for bullish trading setup below it. As things stand now, if you are using the monthly chart, that monthly candlestick bar of March 2019, okay, because today is the 12th of March 2019, all right. Okay. Must close, that monthly candlestick bar must close. If you have that doji there, okay, that will be good. That will be a bearish setup. So we will be implementing at the end of March. If it's still at that bearish candlestick pattern, we'll be implementing a bearish trading setup. Remember that I said to you prior to bullish signal above 132.85. Don't forget that. There's this trend line which we talked about before. All right, watch out for that. So we are in a funny place right now. We have a hot spot trading zone between the red line and the blue line. Can you see that? So we can draw many trend lines. I mentioned this. From a hot spot, you can draw as thousands of trend lines. That's what you see one. Just touching that. This is the first trend line that I draw to that point. It's there. Draw many trend lines. You can draw it now. You can even do many trend lines to that hot spot in the zone. Yeah? And then you can go even to the hourly time frame or 15-minute time frame looking for scalping trade along those trend lines that you draw through a hot spot trading zone. Am I sharing too much secrets? George, it's not a secret. Shut up, please. All right. If you already know it, then it's good, all right? Okay, for traders who want to learn more about the hot spot trading, go to www.stochastic-market. So that's all. Prior to body signal about 13285, right to bell signal below it. But you have to understand that, okay, the price touches this level here, the pink line, went up a little bit above the red line, final resistance. Now it came back to there. So 3 point will help us, okay, you see here? If you consider that all this zone as a point. You see price find a support in this zone, yes or no? It went up, and then you find a resistance in this zone, yes or no? And then you come back again and find a support in this zone. So we can start talking about consolidation play. Anytime you see 3 point like that, bang, 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 that's it, that's enough. One line there, so you need 2 points, you draw this line, and then this point you draw only one line. So those who spotted that before the price here now will be looking for an opportunity to sell. They'll start thinking of consolidation. So it is a consolidation play as things stand today. All right? Between 13285 and 12448. Automatically we draw the median line. Yes or no? That's what you need to do. Automatically. Like a machine. You are allowed to behave like a machine in this case. You see a consolidation, automatically draw the median line. You don't have to think of it, just draw it. So we map out our chart, that's it. So we are now here. Okay? But now traders will use a measuring stick. I don't want to use this long one like this. I will choose another one, the latest one here. I will be talking about consolidation more because a trader did ask me, say, George, explain more about corrective way, about consolidation. And last time I posted a video, I recorded a video which will be posted at 244 Rice Trader YouTube channel about how to combine trend line and consolidation. There's something else that I will be talking about consolidation, is that usually when we see a triangle like this, the general rule to set a target, the general rule according to the theory, everybody use this measuring stick here. They will use this one. All right? And they will project it at a breakout point here. I already done it. Can you see the blue line? Already done it. Is it this one that I use? No, I use another one. So I use a different one. And sometimes I do that, okay? Because I don't want to be too greedy, all right? So I'll put it back there. All right? And there is a midpoint target. Is that a midpoint there? I think so. Oops, don't move it, George. That's the midpoint of that measure. So ultimate target, conservative ultimate target right there. Midpoint conservative target right there. Greedy target, you have to use this one. But one thing I want to touch upon very fast, which is very important, is that you see the triangle like I draw it now. Just try to see. Trend line, horizontal line, another one like this. Sometimes let me say it's not a triangle. Okay, that's fine. We can use, you see here, you see how the price, you see it went from this support to here, and then it came down. This is the last move before this move up here, yes or no? You can use this also as a measuring stick, the height. So there is a bigger triangle, but there are smaller triangles. Do you see that? We can draw another line here. You see, it went from here to the top. You can use that also to set a target. From here to the edge there. So we can see that there's a smaller triangle here. There's another triangle here. Can you do that? We can also say, if we draw another line like this, right here, we can see there is another triangle here. Are you following my cursor? So if I use only this one now, because this one is too greedy, if I use only this measuring stick here, so this is something else that I will be discussing with traders about the consolidation trading. We can place it right there. It's bringing us almost to the midpoint target of this one here. So I'll consider it as the ultimate target of this measuring stick right there. So with that, we can also set a midpoint target. So traders say, oh, the price will definitely go there. So I'll say to you, probably you are a new trader, okay? It does not have to go all the way there. It may not, okay? So we have a midpoint target there. Okay? Am I correct? Yes? Is it correct? No, that's not correct. That's not correct. Okay. Did you spot it? That was not correct. So the midpoint target of this measuring stick is the orange line at 13978. It's a midpoint target of our new measuring stick that we use from here. And the ultimate target for that new measuring stick is at 14657, which is also the median high of our gigantic measuring stick. All right? So we are now here at a resistance level at 13285. If we go and investigate more on a daily chart, anytime we change time frame, what do we need to do? That's correct. I can hear you. I can hear you. That's correct. George, can you hear us? Yes, I can hear you. I'm a superman. Okay, so anytime we change time frame, we draw a trend line. Yes or no? You see all these trend lines that are drawn to the hotspot trading zone all over the place. They are still here. Look at this one. You can just play with them. Look at this one. Just draw them roughly. Don't worry about it. Just draw them roughly. Here it is. Roughly, you see? So just draw them roughly. The hotspot trading zone that we spotted on the monthly chart, we draw many trend lines to it, and then we switch to other time frame to see whether there's a reaction around any of them. You want to draw them just roughly. Don't worry too much, because you can draw millions of trend lines through one point. So the daily chart, if we consider that trend line that was coming to the hotspot trading zone, we can highlight it now. Okay. That's a black line there. It's one of those trend lines that we have drawn to the hotspot trading zone. But again, as I said, we can reach in time frame, either start drawing line. This trend line connecting this point and this one. Recently, you see here, 1, 2, 3. It touched it when it be below it. Phew! Wow! Now it hit the black one. Do you agree that the computers are drawing many trend lines through a hotspot trading zone? Why are they stopping here? Maybe there's maybe there's another horizontal key level that they are watching. Yes, there's one here. See? Resistance. Hotspot trading zone, intersection between that line and the black trend line. All right. So on a daily chart, draw this trend line. But remember what I said to you, there is a consolidation taking place. It's a consolidation play. All right. This is what you need to remember if you are trading this currency pair, because it's quite difficult to trade it. Now, because it's consolidating, it's at a resistance level right now. We are giving priority to bear signal below 13285. It won't be below it. They are pushing it back down. We will find a resistance. So right now is there a signal. Today is the 12th of March. I'm on a daily chart. If this candlestick bar stay bearish as it is now, you can see that it's retesting a blue trend line here. You see here, too many lines. You need to concentrate a bit more, please. It's retesting. Some people will consider that as bearish. I will not. I will consider it as bullish, because I will consider it as bearish because you see it's a long candlestick bar went up there and they push it down a bit. All right, but we are below the 13285. If you are buying it after that daily candlestick bar is closed, meaning that break above, retest, you want to buy, be gentle because of that level of 13285. It will be better if you buy here. It's a little bit risky. Manage it carefully. All right. It might come out, so it's good. But personally, I will still be giving priority to bear signal below 13285. Right? The reason is there was this high here on the daily chart. Now we have a new higher high. Why the price is coming back below this prior high? It's a negation. So though it's retesting this blue trend line, which looks bullish, break a bull retest, I won't be too excited to be bullish. I'm not saying that one cannot buy. Let's go to the hourly time frame to investigate more what is happening here. Anytime we change time frame, we draw trend line. Just too important that to do that. So the first one is this one here. You see, colored is high, and this one here. So you see, it break below that latest trend line. You rally up near it. Some people are trying to sell it now. Again, we are again on the edge of that trend line there. A bit messy. Personally, I will stay away from this one for now and wait till the monthly candlestick bar is closed because it's not very clear. It's like you want to drive in a clear weather, yes or no. Sometimes you want to go somewhere. It's important to get there, all right? But you look at the weather, you say, all right, I'll do it tomorrow, okay? So the same thing we do sometimes, we look at trading setup, we say, I'll wait. So because of that doji being formed there, it's uncertainty, anything is possible. So the doji candlestick bar are like those candlestick bar are like a triangle or a consolidation. Anything is possible. Anytime you see a doji or whatever, okay, all right, it's like anything is possible. It can go back up, it can go back down. On a 15-minute time frame, same again, we can go retest. Gently, gently. What's happening here? All right? The 5-minute time frame is below the moving 50. Prior to bullish signal, the bull 13285, prior to bear signal below it. So what we are trying to do is to highlight things that are important for traders that are trading this currency pair, giving trading tips and tricks that can help them make a better trading decision. This is not a trading signal. It's not to tell you buy or sell. It's to tell you be ready to buy and be ready to sell. After you have done your technical analysis, watch this video. You may see something that can help your decision. All in all, the biggest trading mistake is the violation of the market pattern. There is a consolidation between the level of 12448, all right? All right. Which one will we use before? Is it the red one? And 13285. We are now at that resistance level. Common central line here is not broken yet. Okay, we need to be a little bit patient. If it goes above that triangle and display a higher low, any higher low above a triangle, it's a high probability to set up. So some people may say, I'll wait until I see a higher low above the triangle. It's a high probability to set up. And then we implement a different time frame trading method to trade it, one step at a time. As I said at the beginning of this video, this currency pair, the British pound, Swiss franc, is not for babies, it's for big boys. High demand for stop loss, volatile, go very fast, very risky. You want to be a mature trader who knows how to trade currency pair that are difficult to trade, all right? If this video has been truly useful to you, please let us know by giving us your beautiful thumbs up. If you dislike it, mark it down. If you think it's an essential tutorial, share it on the social website. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the GSTW24 traders talking about price structure trader, reveal the simple price structures, trading tips, British pound, Swiss franc. Happy trading to you all, and I will speak to you soon. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, 24 Forex Trader. Be sure to click on the notification bell. So anytime we record a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. If you want to learn more about Forex trading or technical trading, go to www.GBPCHF.com. stochastic dash MACD. Happy trading to you all, and I will speak to you soon. Thank you for watching.